Yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Kasi parang emotional.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks.
Nasasangkot kasi yung kanyang current ka-love team na si Anthony Jennings dito nga sa balitang hiwalayang ito. Magandang araw mga kachika! Rigel po ulit ang Chika Patrol! Bago tayo magsimula mga kachika, inaanyahan ko muna kayong mag-subscribe dito sa ating munting channel para palagi kayong updated sa mga latest at nagte-trending na mga showbiz balita. Mga kachika, isang oras pa lang mahigit nung pumasok itong balitang ito. Alam nyo ba na sa interview ni Maris Racal sa Star Magic Spotlight ngayong araw ay opisyal niya nang inamin na ang kanilang relasyon ni Rico Blanco ay tapos na. Dagdag pa niya mga kachika, ilang linggo na pala ang nakalipas mula nang sila ay nagkanya-kanya ng landas. Kaya nga hindi na rin lingid yan sa kaalaman ng mga showbiz reporter dahil nga napapansin nila na tila wala ng mga picture or videos na magkasama si Maris at si Rico Blanco na nagsisirculate online. Sa interview nga na yan ni Maris, kinlaro niya naman na naging maayos ang kanilang paghihiwalay. Ayon pa nga sa kanya, nagkaroon sila ni Rico ng polite separation and full of love. Inlaro niya rin mga kachika na hindi third party ang dahilan ng kanilang breakup. Nasasangkot kasi yung kanyang current ka-love team na si Anthony Jennings dito nga sa balitang hiwalayang ito. Pero personally mga kachika, talagang nakakalungkot yung nangyari sa kanilang dalawa. As far as I know, yung relasyon nila ay tumagal ng halos 5 taon. At sa kabila ng napakadaming bashers dahil nga sa kanilang edad, lagi ibinibida ni Maris mga kachika na kailanman ay hindi naging problema sa kanilang pagmamahalan ang kanilang age gap. Halina't sabay-sabay natin panoorin ang full official statement ni Maris Racal tungkol sa kanilang paghihiwalay ni Rico Blanco.
At this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Maris? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kayo ni Rico. What if at the height of your career, bigla kang alukin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Kasi parang emotional.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
May pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, walang nagtanong, but nangyari. Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated niya ang situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. So 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. Because it's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues. So so many questions about my life and how will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self. It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. Enrico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. And
Sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din, I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil nga kung nag-click yung ano yun ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup.
Anthony is out of the picture here. It's just mainly me and Rico. Mainly me. I'm the issue.
So after this, okay ka pa bang magsalita? Or this is the first and last time na you'll talk about it?
This is the only time I'm gonna ever talk about it. Since, well, we're at it. I would like to humbly ask the public to look at us, Rico and I, with understanding and love, because we're both grieving. Hindi naman makakontrol yung mga opinion ng mga tao, but please don't direct your hate towards Rico. He's too precious for that. If you guys want to throw some punches, I'm ready to take them. Yeah.
Thank you for being honest, Maris. Sorry. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Janice. And Maurice, if you'd like to.
Yung kalimutan, mag-like, comment, and subscribe. Para sa iba pang mga celebrity news, i-click lamang ang mga videos na ito.